there, my name is Sharan Kaur and I'm a beauty influencer. Today I'm here to talk to you guys about my experience using this viral product, which is Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops by Glow Niacinamide. As someone with acne prone and dry skin, finding the right skincare products can be a challenge. But that's where Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drop comes to play and has worked wonders for me. This product is extremely lightweight, non-greasy, making it ideal for all skin types. The watermelon extract in this helps reduce irritation and redness, but what really sets this product apart for me is the texture and how hydrating this is. As someone with dry skin, look no further. This product will lock in all the moisture you need without feeling heavy. For the application, I like to start by using my PHA BHA Pore Toner and apply it in a patting motion to let it penetrate into my skin. I go in with my dew drops and gently pat my skin with fingers. It is best to use this serum on a damp skin because it contains hyaluronic acid to give you that plumpy, hydrated skin. I love to follow with my pink juice moisturizer for that nourishing skincare routine. This serum is not only part of my skincare routine but also sits perfectly under my makeup for that dewy look. I like to mix a pump of dew drops into my liquids such as foundation, concealer, blush for the extra boost of hydration and the perfect glow. For your eyes, dab a pea-sized amount to the center of your eyelid and blend it out for the slightly glossy look. It's ophthalmologist tested, so it's safe to use for your eyes. I've been using this serum for a long time now and overall it has helped my skin barrier so much.